Howdy Rock Hounds, today I'm going to show you how to polish or shine rocks with Agates. I think I'm pronouncing it correctly. Can you see that on there? Agates acrylic high gloss sealer. Let's go! Shine on!
This one's going to be incredibly fast. Fast drying, non-yellowing. You guys asked me lots of questions on my other video using Rust-Oleum spray. Hey, is it non-yellowing? Can you use it inside, outside? Yes, you can on all those. But anyway, here's another one we can use. Seals, protects, blah, 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 blah. Okay, read the back of it. When you use it, you know, it says to hold it 10 to 12 inches. Use in a well-ventilated area like outside. I'm just using a variety of rocks. As you can see, I've got some jaspers here. I think actually this one might be nephrite that I got. All of these along the coast. They've been cleaned with soap and water. I know a lot of people like rocks in their natural state, so this is perfect for shining, polishing, whatever word you want to use. Your rocks. Shake it up. Ooh, look at that. Oh my gosh, look at this. Woo! Want to make sure not to get too much in the first one because then it'll just start dripping. But ooh, wow. Gosh, those are pretty. Oh, look at that. Didn't even need a rock tumbler. So I'm going to let that dry, flip them over, spray them. And then if it needs 2 or 3 coats, you can certainly do that or just do 1 coat. Woo! By the way, I got this at Hobby Lobby. It's probably on Amazon though. If I find it there, I'll put a link in the description for it. So there you go. Okay, these are dry. Look at this. Look at that. Just minutes. Seriously, this is awesome. Oh my gosh. I don't even think that needs 2 or 3 coats. Shiny doll. Look, 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 look. Oh my gosh. I just absolutely love this DIY budget method. Oh, a little bit got over there. Okay, let's check this one. Ooh. See, doll, shiny. You get the idea. That one is like definitely. See, look at that. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Okay, let's flip them over and do the other side. Woo! I don't know why I have to make noise. Oh, 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 look at this agate. Look at that agate. Oh my gosh. Look at that quartz, that mossy quartz. Oh my gosh. It's so beautiful. I love it. Having different options for polishing or shining your rocks. Just freaking awesome. Yes! You know what's really cool about this too is if you ever get a rock tumbler in the future and you decide, you know, I like these, but I want to try to polish them, you can just throw them in the tumbler. Yeah, so you can just do that and call it good. Oh my gosh, look at that. Now these are almost dry. It's only been a few minutes. Woo! Okay, here they are, all dried off. Look at that. Definitely enhanced colors. Shiny, shiny, shiny. Look at this. Let's do it in the sun. Oh my goodness. Ah! Sorry, I'm about to drop it. I don't know if that looks black, but it is such a dark green. It's so cool. Wow. Beautiful. You know, I think there might be, is that jasper in there? A little bit? Oh my goodness. Look at that. Not even tumbled. Seconds. Literally. Okay, minutes, because you got to let it dry and flip it over. But wow. That is so pretty. Okay, let's look at this one. Look. Oh my gosh. Look. Look, look, look. See? You don't lose any of all of that character. Oh my gosh. I just love these colors. Okay, here's a couple more. Whoop. Ah, sorry. This. It's just 1 coat that I put on there. Because, you know, it just depends on how shiny you want it to be. But, okay, one more. One more. Get the idea. So, this is so exciting. Oh, there's beautiful. Okay, now let's compare it to the other methods of polishing or shining the rocks without a rock tumbler. Look at that. It's, oh my gosh. I can't stop looking at them. This reminds me of the thermal pools at Yellowstone. Have you guys ever been there? It's really pretty. Let's do a quick comparison between tumbling rocks in the rock tumbler and using household goods that are DIY budget friendly for polishing and enhancing rocks. Okay, here we go. We've got the rock tumbler rock here, all smooth, took weeks to do. Obviously makes noise in the rock tumbler and all that, pros and cons, but the results, beautiful. We have the Rust-Oleum method, can of spray paint, clear gloss, non-yellowing, indoor, outdoor, holds up great. We have the nail polish method. So if you like the look of the rock in its raw, natural form, I mean, the rest of these are going to be right up your alley. mineral oil method. This one's been 2 or 3 months since I did it. It has faded a little bit, and this is a temporary polish, quote unquote, enhancing, shining, whatever you want to call it. So it's definitely more enhanced than when it was found. It was very dull. Same thing with the cooking spray method. You can see this is dried out a bit, but yeah, there was not much distinction in the different colors. You can see the greens and the blues and a face. I swear I see a face in there. Baby oil, very similar to the cooking oil. Yep, starting to dry out, but again, it's enhanced versus what it was originally. And we have the Mod Podge, which is very similar to the Rust-Oleum. You see that? Very shiny. And again, you get to keep the character of the rock, because a lot of people like that. They don't like the super perfect. I like the rocks just the way they are. I just want them shiny with that wet look. I mean, who doesn't want the wet look? And then look at this. We've got the Aleen's. I don't know how to pronounce that. You guys can beat me up in the comments. That's all right. Look at this. It was totally dull. I think this is nephrite. And actually, I've tumbled this before, and it does not take a good polish in the tumbler. Or I just didn't try hard enough. But nope, this acrylic spray did awesome job. So let me know which method you prefer. I mean, a lot of people say they like nail polish, but do you prefer something else? Do you have one that you'd like me to try that I haven't done yet? I would love more suggestions. Woohoo! Rock on!